Guys, this is the morning of my delay trip, so at least my face is looking bright and much better now. So as I earlier said, how are you guys doing? But I never still sleep enough sleep sharp. So this morning we're just heading to get some Christmas decor. You know, we had the one we used last year, but obviously we still want to add more to it. The Christmas lights we used last year was battery. We didn't get the electric one, so we got the one of battery. These are battery. So this morning we're kind of just heading to go and look for the electric one. At least that battery on is not giving the vibes of the Xmas disco lights. So that's the reason why we want to get the electric one. And at the same time I want to check if I will get washing dishwasher to buy at the charity store. Then we want to also check for vacuum cleaner because our vacuum cleaner got burnt, so we want to get a new one. I don't know, I forgot to carry my microphone. Hope you can hear me. How am I going to fix this in? This is Alex's tricycle. We're going with it. I don't know how to fix it in anyway. So guys, just come with me as we go. So I'll be ending this vlog here. Then when we get to the shop, I'll continue. See you guys later. Bye. So guys, I almost forgot to video capture the moment we entered. So we got to the British Heart Foundation. These are the kids section. They hardly have kids things anyway, and I can't remember when I bought used clothes for my children. It was when we just came in I bought, but since then I've never bought anything like okrika or used clothes for them again. It's not like I'm bragging, no. I'm just telling you, this is me. I've not had the opportunity to buy because most of the used clothes, how much do they sell them? Most of them, they sell them £3, £5. Sorry, £3 to 1 point something pounds. You cannot say something less than £1. Like the list you will see, maybe £1. But it's hard. It must be 1 point something. See this one now. I don't know if you can see 3 point something, and it's a used clothes. You understand? So when I now compare the price, I was like, when you can go to all these new websites like Temu, that's why you see I buy most of my things from Temu. You can get them for 1 point something and they are brand new. So I'm not like, what's the need of not buying used one that someone else has used? It's better I just go buy from those companies. So that's why you see me most of the time. I just order my things from the company. They are quite cheap. They are not really they are not really that expensive. So that's it. I'm actually in British Hearts. So we finally got, this is my husband. We finally got a dishwasher. But this one, open it, let me see. We finally got one. I don't know how to open it. So how will I open it? Yeah, this is it. But the first one I saw there was brand new, like it was new, but I missed it because we were contemplating if we should buy or not.
This one.
This smaller one. Why? Open it, let's see.
This is all we need.
It's still almost rusted, like inside now.
No,
that
it's
one
not
is more
the.
cleaner.
See, it's the electricity consumption that is.
Have you checked electricity consumption?
It's here. That small one, because hot water. Will
Should I ask?
I think we'll ask.
Yeah, when it comes out, asking the electricity consumption, they've got other things here. I think I'm going to put my fridge for sale so that I can change my fridge. This one is £255. Yeah. So I like this one. Whether it's because of the fancy that it has 2 doors, I don't know. but I like it, and the freezer has to dry in here. So I just like it, and I got this for free. They've got a lot of nice things anyway. Say hello. Let's check Sainsbury's now. Have you Sainsbury's?
I don't know if we can do
Well, we've got a new one already. This purple one. I've got this light. I didn't know they have smaller one. I've got the longer one already. Use your slippers and do and throw it away. Because if you see the way your leg is inside the slippers, oh God. No, they say you should go more of the electronic area. These are, I guess these are the electronic area.
So I don't even need to do video.
Ah, you are the use so now. Oh, I love these crystals. See candles. We've got a lovely set of things here. See curtains. But obviously not for my house. My children will bite it up. Then you will know. Which area are you checking? If you see my husband's slippers, you'll beg him personally, please pull up the slippers and throw away. Oh, we've got woody stuffs here. Obviously, this video is going to be very long.